In today's fast-paced world, it's easier than ever to fall short on nutrition. Busy lifestyles push us toward convenience foods. Dietary restrictions make it harder to get certain vitamins and minerals. And honestly, many of us just don't know what our bodies are missing until it's too late. In this video, I'll show you the 10 most common nutrient deficiencies, the weird symptoms they cause, and the foods that can fix them. Let's unlock the secrets your body's been hiding. 10 nutrient deficiencies, one by one. 1. Iron deficiency, the hidden exhaustion. You sleep 8 hours and still wake up tired. Your hands are cold and climbing stairs feels like a workout. You might be iron deficient and your red blood cells can't carry enough oxygen. Fix it with spinach, lentils, beef, and take it with vitamin C for better absorption. You're not lazy, you're running on low battery. Number 2, vitamin D, the sunshine deficiency. Feeling down for no reason, always catching colds? Your body might be begging for sunshine, literally. Vitamin D affects your bones, mood, and immune system. Fix it with 15 minutes of sun daily, fatty fish like salmon, or supplements. Number 3, magnesium, the anxiety mineral. Tossing and turning at night? Feeling tense or anxious? You might be low on magnesium, the mineral that calms your nerves and muscles. Fix it with nuts, seeds, leafy greens, or yes, dark chocolate. Number 4, vitamin B12, the brain fog trigger. Can't focus? Numb hands? Forget what you were doing mid-task? B12 deficiency affects your nerves and your brain. Fix it with eggs, dairy, meat, or fortified foods if you're vegan. Number 5, iodine, the metabolism breaker. Weight gain, dry skin, thinning hair, these aren't just aging signs. Your thyroid needs iodine to keep your metabolism running. Fix it with iodized salt, seaweed, eggs, or fish. Number 6, zinc, the craving controller. Do you crave sugar, feel constantly sick, or have breakouts? Low zinc can weaken your immunity, your skin, and your taste buds. Fix it with pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and beef. Number 7, omega-3, the brain's fuel. Your brain is 60% fat, and it needs omega-3s to think clearly and stay sharp. Without it, you get brain fog, mood swings, and even joint pain. Fix it with salmon, sardines, walnuts, or flax seeds. Number 8, calcium, not just for kids. You're not drinking milk? Fine, but your bones and muscles still need calcium to stay strong. Fix it with yogurt, sardines, tofu, and dark greens. Number 9, potassium, the cramp king. Ever get random leg cramps or feel like your heart's racing? Low potassium messes with your muscles and your heartbeat. Fix it with bananas, sweet potatoes, avocados, and spinach. Oops! Before we proceed to number 10, let me introduce first this YouTube channel called HealthHelp. Your daily dose of health tips, food hacks, natural remedies, and life-saving facts, all in fast, fun, bite-sized videos. If you care about your health or your loved ones, this channel is for you. From what foods fight diseases to why you always feel tired, we break it down in YouTube Shorts format. New videos every week. Trusted info based on expert research. Easy tips to stay healthy naturally. Real talk, real health, real fast. Visit HealthHelp and Tips and subscribe now and turn on the bell. Let's grow a healthier and happier community together. Your support means everything. Hit subscribe, watch a few videos, and let me know what you think. Got a topic you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. Okay, let's move on. Here's number 10. Folate, vitamin B9, the energy builder. This isn't just for pregnant women. Folate is key to making red blood cells. Without it, you feel weak, pale, and foggy. Fix it with leafy greens, beans, citrus fruits, and lentils. Your body is talking. Every symptom is a message. Listen closely. Don't just treat the surface. Feed the root. Start with one deficiency today. If even one of those symptoms sounds familiar, hit that like button and share this video with someone who needs a health wake-up call. Drop a comment telling us what you're going to fix first. We're reading them all. And don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming to help you heal naturally. Go ahead, have a healthy body, and embrace a happy life.